was all about avocado toast, and this year it's all about the egg yolk. Put them together and what do we have? Only one of the most popular recipes on Pinterest. We're making baked eggs and avocados. Beyond the heart-healthy fatty acids and high protein in eggs and avocados, this low-sugar, fiber-filled recipe will help you kickstart your energy and feel excellent. So this recipe is really easy. You're just gonna start by preheating your oven to 425 degrees, and then you're gonna take your avocado and cut it lengthwise. Then we're gonna remove the pit. And then we're gonna scrape out about 2 tablespoons of avocado. And you really wanna just go all the way down. Leave enough avocado on the side. What we're doing is just making enough room for the egg to fit nice and snug in the avocado, and so that none of the egg whites run out the sides. And I totally like just snacking on this extra avocado in the morning. You can even make avocado toast with it. Now I'm just gonna put this into a baking dish, and we can go ahead and crack our eggs into each avocado. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna season them with a little salt and pepper, and then we're gonna pop these in the oven and let them bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Now I actually like to start my baked eggs and avocado right when I start my coffee machine, so that after I'm done showering and getting ready, my eggs are ready too. As soon as your avocado eggs are done, you can take them out of the oven. Look at that, the eggs are cooked through really nice. And then you can add a little bit more salt and pepper. Now if you wanted, you could totally eat them just like this, or you could add any toppings you want, like some chives, or what about little pieces of bacon, or maybe even some fresh sliced tomato. Sometimes if I'm craving something a little Asian, you guys know I will add a little bit of furikake and some sriracha for some heat. Okay, I am dying to dig right in. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Just gonna get a little bit of that avocado with the egg, with the bacon, with the tomato. Perfect bite happening. I just love that warm avocado. It's like butter. And then you have a little bit of that runny yolk with bacon and the fresh tomatoes. This is so good. Guys, I would love to know if you're gonna try this recipe in the comment box below. And don't forget, we wanna see your photos, so put them on Instagram, #EatTheTrend. I'm Brandi, and I'll see you next time. Bye.